Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
More of the same for folks in the valley. That meant more fog today that broke up or at least lifted for a few hours this afternoon. We get a whole lot of sunshine, though. It's same story. If you want to get away from that, either head to the coast, up to the mountains, or quite honestly, just get above around 1,500 feet. And that's where we've got pure sunshine, and we'll see another nice sunny day. High pressure lofts slowly building in. Yesterday, we had a little bit of leftover precipitation up around Mount Hood and through Portland metro area. Today, not even that. We've got just some clouds sliding southward across the state. Otherwise, it's been very quiet and likely staying that way over the next 4 to 5 days. Let's zoom out and show you the wider snapshot of why that is. Nice big ridge of high pressure. This has been the pattern for most of the winter. An unusually or unseasonably strong high pressure ridge sitting over the Pacific Northwest. Now, generally, this is what we see late spring into the summertime. This is what gets us those days and even weeks of pure sunshine. Not so much in the wintertime, though. These generally break down pretty quickly as these fronts get closer to it. But this one has been particularly strong. And in fact, the last couple that we've seen have been fairly strong. Now, that's generally set up an inversion across the valley, and that's the cold air that gets trapped to the surface. The warm air serves as a bit of a lid on top of that. And as you might expect, that keeps the fog pretty much stuck down close to the surface most of the day. Visibility right now at about 1.25 miles in Corvallis, about 1.5 miles out to Eugene Airport. It will likely continue to fall as we head to the overnight hours. 9-mile visibility out towards the south coast, Roseburg 10 up towards Newport. So clear skies out to the coast. Same thing in the mountains too. No problems out there for tonight. So overnight lows will likely dip down to around 30 degrees. Could give us a chance of some overnight patchy freezing fog in some areas. I don't think we'll see the coldest nights tonight. That'll likely be tomorrow night. And as we head in towards Friday morning, where we could be looking at upper to widespread mid-20s across some of the parts of the valleys as well. Right now, the current temperature is sitting at around 40 degrees in Eugene and Cottage Grove. A little warmer than that, around 46 in Roseburg. We actually did get some sunshine this afternoon. 31 in Sun River, 36 in Bend, 48 out towards Newport, and still sitting close to 50 as you get out to Florence. So here are the highs today. 33 our overnight low, 43 the high, so both of those below average. No rainfall so far today. Not expecting to pick any up in the bucket. As long as this fella's in control, this is going to keep the sunny weather around and keep the fog trapped close to the valley. So we will see these little disturbances try to punch on through. They may have a little better success later on in the week as we get this high to flatten out just a bit, but you can see our stormcast over the next 36 hours lifts everything well to the north of us. And that will keep plenty of sunshine around. However, that's also going to keep the mountains very warm, so kind of slushy across parts of the ski resorts. So dry conditions will continue, and we have the air stagnation advisory down for Roseburg and most of Douglas County. So sunny and mild for the coast. Temperatures in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees. It is going to be gorgeous out to the beaches. No problems there. Morning fog, partial sunshine will go with by the afternoon across the Umpqua. Temperatures in the upper 40s. Out into the Cascades, likely be looking at around, I'd say 50 degrees or so with the snow lines at around 11,000 feet. Sunny mild forecast also for Central Oregon. Light south winds, temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. And we'll see mid to low 40s across the Willamette Valley. Visibility will be an issue tonight and tomorrow for most of the morning, lifting again. But then we'll see that dense fog reform pretty quickly after sunset. Nice couple of days out at the coast. And even Saturday with that weak storm coming through, sprinkles at best. I don't think we'll see much from that. Morning fog with some afternoon sun breaks for the next couple of days across the Umpqua. Then it's back to the clouds for the weekend. Beautiful forecast for the Cascades. Not a lot of reinforcing snow showers, though, to lay down on that 2 feet of base that we got in last week's big storm. And here in the valley, you kind of see a trend there, as Renee said at 5 o'clock, rather appropriately. Kind of sound like a broken record. And that likely will continue because that high will reform pretty quickly once we get this little, whatever that'll be, coming through this weekend. I don't think it'll be much.
I'll say it's a bad record.
No.
It's just, it's just a broken record.
I'm just kind of stuck at like 33. And speed it up. See, everybody's too young to know what that is.
Except him.
Oh.